Okay, number 32 says, what is the simplest form of 2n plus 3 squared? Well, 2n plus 3 squared means 2n plus 3 times 2n plus 3, because squared means multiplying the base times itself, and our base is everything in the parentheses. So if I square this, I'm going to need to multiply these two things. Now, these two things are binomials, which means they have two terms. Bi meaning two, nomial meaning term, we have two terms. And when we multiply binomials, we need to use the idea of double distribution, or taking this first number and multiplying it by the other first. Taking first number and the first number and multiplying it times the outside number, the second number. And then doing the same thing with the 3 times 2n and the 3 times 3. We call this FOIL. So when we do that, we have 2n times 2n, which gives me 4n squared. 2n times 3 gives me 6n. 3 times 2n gives me 6n. And 3 times 3 gives me 9. So altogether I end up with 4n squared plus 12n plus 9, because I can combine these two terms as they are like terms. So it looks like D is the correct answer. Don't be fooled that you can distribute here. You can't, because this is addition, and we can only distribute that exponent when we have multiplication. Really, just to make sure, write it twice, and then if everything across is multiplication, you can multiply it together. But if there's adding signs in here, then you need to use FOIL.